It's giving the wig I didn't know I wanted, the wig I didn't know I needed. My friend snapped. Hey YouTube, it is your girl Kim. We are back with another hair video unboxing. It's about time. I'm so excited. Disregard the backdrop. If y'all are OGs on my channel, then y'all remember that I got some things in the works, so y'all just gotta stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Make sure you guys turn on those post notifications so you guys can see whenever I post new videos. But let's just get right into this unboxing, right? So y'all know my friend AJ, right? We decided to do, I don't say like a little collaboration, but obviously you guys have heard some of the struggles that I've gone through, and I mentioned that I wanted a bob, and he surprised me and made me a wig. I am so grateful. If you guys have not checked out AJ, I will put his page information over here. He is a very humble, hardworking person, and I just couldn't ask for a better friend. Yes, we are friends now. We met through my social media. If you guys have ever interacted with me, then you guys know I am a regular person. Right, so ooh, the tape on this. So we ended up doing a collaboration. I am not being paid for the content. You guys already know whether I was being paid or not. I'm gonna keep it real with you, but I'm not being paid for this content. I decided, like, I appreciate people, and when I feel like I'm valued, and for you to give me a wig that I know you spend a lot of time, effort, late nights, I'm not even sure early mornings, but just time in between to consider me and make this for me, I just feel like I should consider you the same way. So I was like, I'm gonna make some videos. So here we go. We are going to be unboxing my custom wig. Now, this is the first time I've ever had a custom wig. A couple times you guys seen me, if you're watching my vlog, where I went and I picked up something and I was like, you guys gotta stay tuned. Well, this is it. So this is the box. So it's Beauty by AJ. You guys can, you know, make sure you guys support him. Follow him. I know he does have a YouTube channel. He has Instagram. I think he has TikTok. I'm not sure yet, but I'll put all the links for everything down below. Oh, it's right here. AJ Beauty by AJ. Okay. So let's get to doing this unboxing, honey. Oh, and there's more. Are you ready for your transformation? Oh, and then you have a card. Child, y'all know this camera be working me sometimes. Okay, has all the socials on there. And then there's a QR code, and it lets you know what he offers. So screenshot that. Oh, he was telling me about this. This is I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on this lace, but it's supposed to help like the grid lines go away, so he sent me one of those, so I really appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. There's two cards in here, both the same cards. All right, let's get to the main attraction. Now, before we do, I'm gonna put a little timestamp up here if you guys want to skip ahead. I know I've already started, but he sent me the wig for me to try it on my hair to get my exact hairline. Now, I know we've heard some companies talk about custom before. One of my favorites have talked about custom, and just the interaction is a little bit different. I was just pretty much given small, medium, large for the cap size. No, this is fitted to my head, so it can really be glueless. In addition to the fact that it matches my hairline. Like, what? Like, y'all know I'm not a fan of the glue down. Everything is glueless, whether it's a frontal or a closure. So for the fact that I have something that is going to match my hairline is amazing. I didn't get to feel the texture before. Well, I felt it, but like, you know, like it was in the middle of being made. All right. You know how sometimes things get jumbled up in shipping? You know what I mean. All right, we're gonna put the box down here. Look at this. Ooh, this is on. So y'all know my favorite texture, because again, you know, when people really support you and watch your channel, they know the texture of the hair that you like, and this is definitely the texture that I like. This is premium. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is it. Oh, I love the curls. Because when I got it, it wasn't like, you know, like how when you co-wash hair, you get to see the real curl pattern? It wasn't like this. And I was like, I'm going to cut it. I'm like, before I cut it, you know, let me like test it out. All right, enough about me on the wig. It has wefts in the back, which, as crazy as it sounds, is a more preferred option for me when it comes to wigs. Because I feel like it's easier to do a repair on. Now, in terms, it is a frontal. I think it's a 6-inch parting space, so really, really deep parting. On the side, it's about 1 inch is what it looks like. I mean, we can measure, but if you've been here on my channel, then you know if I say that's what it is, that's what it is. And I'll tell you the reason why I don't mind it. Normally, I like to have a little bit more parting on the side, but when I put this thing on my head, y'all gonna see, because we're gonna try this on. We're gonna cut the lace, we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like uninstalled. I like the fact that AJ paid attention to everything that I like. Heard that I wanted a bob, know the texture that I like. I mean, this is what you want out of a wig maker. You want them to know what you like about hair. I mean, obviously. He does offer a lot of like custom services. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, that's why you gotta follow me on Instagram, because as soon as I'm done making this video, we're going on live to talk about this wig, honey. But he does a lot of custom services. Now, you guys know I typically like it to be a little bit thicker, so you can pick your density, you can pick your length, you can pick, it's your wig. You customize it how you want. But enough of that. We're going to try the wig on. I don't know if I should try it on with the lace on, if I should cut the lace off of it. I think I'm going to do both. Don't laugh at how I look up under here. Y'all know I'll be looking like a lollipop that's been dropped on the floor. Child, I should have shaved. Don't come for me, y'all. My life been life, and if y'all seen the vlog by now, you know life been life, and I just be neglecting myself sometimes. But let's show you what I might. Should I put on a cap? I feel like I should, just to hold my hairs down. Sorry, moment of truth, guys. Oh, it smells so good. I gotta ask him what he used on this. All right, I'm gonna cut the lace. Yeah, this is, don't mind the family in the background. This is the first time I've ever gotten a wig to where I feel as though it's truly glueless. Like a lot of the other wigs that I have, like you guys, I mean, you guys have seen. Let me put this wig on my head and stop rambling. Hopefully y'all not hearing the family in the background. All right, so if it's a little different, there are straps in the back that I can adjust. The tabs at the side are like the tabs at the side of other wigs, which I don't mind. So let me go ahead and adjust this, because I didn't want to put it too tight, because I'm telling myself like I don't want the wig to fit like too tight on my head, because when I tried this on, I was like, yo, this is real different. All right, so let me move the combs closer, and then let's put this on my head. Oh, look at that. It's so comfortable. Y'all look at my hairline, and look at the hairline on the wig. All right, let me put some foundation on it so we can really see what it's giving. I'm so excited, because I feel like the lace, I need to know what kind of lace this is. Oh, it's over here. Oh, oh, baby, yes. I feel like I want to style it, but then at the same time, like I don't. And I'll tell y'all. Let me tell you what ran through my head when he mentioned that he had already started making me a wig and then he was going to surprise me, right? I was like, oh, well, I really want like a curly wig, because, you know, like a curly bob, for me, curly bobs right now are like really, really in. But then I'm like, I know me, I don't really like maintenance. I'm probably not gonna cut this. Let's be for real. Like this right here is perfect. I don't know if you guys remember, there was one wig that I had and I really loved it, and I ended up cutting it just like this, and I ended up giving it away because the hair quality just wasn't what I wanted. It was decent for the price, and I've always just missed that style, and this is giving me those vibes. It feels like it's curly. Now I may like clip a little bit, like how you see, like clean it up, but I don't think I'm gonna cut it. Like, y'all, look how this is looking. Look how it's looking. I feel like I shouldn't do like a flip over, and I should just Scalpiana. Now you see it. No, you don't. Now, I'm not the best when it comes to blending lace. Y'all know I'm not no lace expert, but I love this. I love it. And I love the curl pattern of the hair. It's the look. It's the exact look that I wanted. This is a little bit long in the front. I don't want to cut it just as yet, but I feel like the front, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little bit longer than like the rest. So I'm probably just gonna just take this little bit here off, because I don't want to cut it until I see how everything is gonna fall. But at the same time, like, ooh, I need this. Y'all, this is looking, I'm gonna go get some water. I don't want to wet it because it's gonna take a while for it to dry. But y'all, I really love the texture. Like, and it's light and it's fluffy. I forgot to talk about, y'all know I get caught up in hair and I be forgetting, right? It's feeling like 160, maybe about 170 density, which for me is perfect for a bob. I typically like to go a little bit heavier when it comes to the density because you have to leave room for shedding. But it feels like I'm not wearing anything on my head at all. Like, I have wigs that I've made, I have wigs that I've bought, I have wigs that have been sent to me, and I don't think anything has ever felt this light. Like, this is, right now, this is everything. I'm gonna get my spray bottle. I think I'm just gonna leave it messy and flipped over. Should I? I'm gonna ask y'all to comment down below and let me know. But like, I love this. Oh, I love this. I feel like I don't want to touch it. Like, I don't want to mess anything up. I had to clip the little ends because you guys saw how it was hanging for the flip over, but like, I don't want to mess this up. I don't want, like, this looks so good, feels so good. Like, you guys see it. Normally, like, glueless wigs, I'll have it flapping right here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. It's going back down on its own. On its own. And the fact that it's my exact hairline. What? I probably need to cut the air tabs. They're probably a little bit long. And if I do, it'll probably lay really, really flat. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to say moment of truth. But let's, y'all. Thank you so much, AJ. Thank you for valuing me. Every time I think about it, I be wanting to cry. Because y'all know, like, some of the stuff that I've gone through with, like, different, like, hair companies and people not, when I say valuing me, like, valuing my feedback, trying to discredit me, trying to belittle me, trying to get me to say what they want me to say. And that's just not what we are about here on the channel. We're not doing that. So when I say thank you for valuing me, it's not just giving me a free wig. It's like, thank you for valuing my feedback. Thank you for valuing, at this point, my expertise. I feel like I'm going to just stick this down because I don't want to cut the air tabs off anymore. But it's one of the best fitting wigs. Like, look at, y'all, look at this. There's lace there. Psh, it don't get much better than that. It don't get much better than that. All right, let me go spray this and come back. Spray this and come. Y'all, look at this. Who is she? This hair is just so, it's so light and buttery. Like, it's not even funny how light and buttery it is. But can we get into how this wig looked, child? Can we get into how it looked? It's giving the wig I didn't know I wanted, the wig I didn't know I needed. My friend snapped. That's what it's giving. So if you guys are looking for a custom, I already know. You know how you know people are just like yourself? Like, I'm not going to put out something that's bad. Like, I work hard. I have a strong work ethic. Like, I know the reviews are going to be good. If y'all watch my vlogs, I'm going to be vlogging here and there. Y'all going to see where I'm going to have this wig on in the videos for my vlogs. But like, AJ snapped. AJ snapped. If y'all want a custom wig, please go holler at my friend. Because what? Perfection. All I did was take off a little bit here because of how I wanted it to fall. But like, y'all see this. I know y'all see this. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But that wraps up this initial impression unboxing. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and make sure you're tapped in with those post notifications so you guys can know when I upload the 1 week update. Stay tuned.